Hey guys, excuse my air conditioner. So I'm kind of vlogging and I'm also doing this video for you. If you want to know how to waterproof drywall, now this is only for the areas like what I'm doing. So as you see here, I have a space right here where's the access panel to the other part of my shower. So what I'm getting ready to do is take off this piece of drywall, set it to the side, and I'm going to paint it. I'm going to paint it with a red guard. Aqua Defense. It's like Red Guard back in the day. If you ever seen how they would paint the red or the blue stuff on, this is what this is. It just comes in a green. And I'm going to be taking this off because the guy that I fired, that is no longer working for me, utilized the wrong drywall in my bathroom. And as you see, that is the back side of, we need to get into the back side of the access panel so that if any water does touch it, it doesn't make it mold, because these are not mold resistant. And for right now, this is what I'm going to do, because this is inexpensive, because I already have the membrane defense and I already have a brush. I should probably roll it on, but I don't want to. I think it's more therapeutic for me to do it this way. So just watch me work as I membrane and waterproof this drywall. You're just gonna need a brush. I already have it installed. So I'm gonna go in and take out these screws so I can remove the drywall. My drill. Let me charge the drill. Okay. Hey guys, we're back, and as you see, I just kind of time-lapsed through this to show you how I painted it. But the most important thing about this is this stuff does come off your hands really easy. It like rolls off, like it's like a rubbery feel, and that's kind of what it gives, is a actual barrier of like a water base to a waterproofer to whatever it is that it's on. So it'll come off your hands like really easy, similar to like kind of like Elmer's glue, sort of kind of. So the most important part I wanted y'all to see is this. You see how I made it thicker around here? Because that's actually where, if anything, the water would squirt or be getting on around this area. Now I can go over in this area a little bit more. It's up to you. You don't have to do as many coats, but I would say the area that is going to be, the problematic area, let that be the place where you put more of the actual membrane, so that way it can really have a good, nice thickness of waterproofing. This stuff does come off really easy, and I'm gonna let this dry. So that is the way that you can waterproof drywall if you get the wrong drywall for the bathroom. And mind you, this piece is going to be flipped inside, so I'm not going to see it. So, and when I kept rubbing my hand around, I was just trying to make sure I didn't have a lot of thick pieces of this, because I don't want to have to do a lot of sanding, so that way I can paint this when I'm ready to paint it or do whatever I'm going to do with it. So yeah, that's how you waterproof drywall that's not waterproof. And you actually could get a nice thin roller, and you can waterproof other areas on the outside with this as well. But you want to use a roller that's not nylon, because nylon leaves streaks. If you use a roller, get a smooth, extra smooth finish roller, high density, and that will give you a smooth consistency. So when this stuff dries, you don't see no strokes or anything. You see strokes because I don't care, I just want to get the waterproofer on there. That's why you see strokes. But if you wanted to do this for a space, like say for instance, you got the wrong drywall. Well, here's the wrong drywall also, but I'm going to membrane the bottom half around where the pipes are. Once the new pipes get in, I'm going to membrane the bottom half. So you can do that as well, but do it with a smooth roller in case it is going to be visible where you have to put paint on it. So I hope this was helpful. This is another how to DIY and save a dime, as I'm downsizing to upgrade my life as a single mom living in a fixer-upper. So I hope this was helpful to you. If it was, leave comments below. If you remind me to put the link, not sponsored, of this in the description from Lowe's. They have small ones and they have big ones. This is Aqua Defense, and this is a gallon. It's a gallon. So here it is again, and I will try to get the link and put it in. Just somebody remind me, please. And what I do is I just take and wipe this off, get all the stuff off of it, and I wrap it up in saran wrap and put it in the refrigerator for my next waterproofing project. All right, laters.